Welcome everyone to our meditation session, where we focus on achieving internal harmony and restoring our inner balance. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position, whether it's on the floor or in a chair, allowing your spine to naturally extend upwards. Relax your shoulders and gently rest your hands on your knees. Now, let's practice the hand gesture known as Jnana Mudra. To do this, lightly touch the tips of your thumb and index finger together, while letting the other fingers remain extended and relaxed. This gesture symbolizes the connection between wisdom and awareness, and serves as a simple yet powerful tool to bring a sense of tranquility and steadiness to your mind. With this, gently close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. As you exhale, release any tension and let yourself fully relax into the present moment. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly, bringing your attention to your breath. Tune into its natural rhythm. With every inhale, invite a sense of stability, feeling supported by the ground beneath you. With each exhale, let go of any tightness or heaviness you may be holding on to. Allow yourself to settle deeply into this present moment, embracing the calm and steady flow of your breath. As you gently release any heaviness, allow it to be absorbed into the earth. Let yourself soften just a bit more. Breathe in and breathe out. There's no need to try to control or alter anything. Simply observe as the breath flows naturally. If thoughts come to your mind, acknowledge them without judgment, and then gently bring your focus back to the breath. Shift your attention now to the sensation of your hands resting on your knees, feeling the subtle connection of Jnana Mudra as you hold this position. Acknowledge the balance that exists between effort and ease, between stillness and movement, the polarity found in all things. There's no need to control or resist. Just be here, steady and aware. Breathe in and breathe out. With every breath, allow a deeper sense of harmony to unfold. Notice how everything within you is already working in unison. The breath flows, the heart beats, and the body supports you. You are present exactly as you are meant to be. Inhale and exhale. Now remain in this state of awareness, just as you are. If you sense that your mind begins to wander, you are welcome to embrace the following mantra as your point of focus and concentration, repeating it quietly or silently in your mind, gently guiding your inner attention back to your breath. In this present moment, I honor the rhythm of my body, my mind, and my heart. I honor the rhythm of my body, my mind, and my heart. I honor the rhythm of my body, my mind, and my heart. Certainly. Here is a rephrased version of the script. And my heart, let these words gently settle within you as you continue to go inward. I honor the rhythm of my body, my mind, and my heart. Now, silently, within your mind, repeat: heat, 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 heat. Now, it's time to release the mantra. Gradually begin to deepen your breath, introducing gentle movements back into your body. Wiggle your fingers, then your toes, noticing if you sense any shifts within. Pay attention to any changes in how you feel. When you're ready, gently release Jnana Mudra and bring your hands together in prayer position. Take one final deep breath in and exhale fully. As you move through your day, carry with you this sense of balance and resilience. May you move forward with steadiness. May you meet each moment with ease. And may you always return to your inner harmony. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Sending all my love and light to you. Namaste. And my heart. Let these words gently settle within you as you continue to turn your attention inward. I honor the flow of my body, my mind, and my heart. Now, in the silence of your mind, repeat: heat, 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 heat. Now it's time to release the mantra. Slowly begin to deepen your breath, reintroducing gentle movements to your body. Move your fingers, then your toes, paying attention to any subtle shifts you may feel. Observe how your body and mind are changing. When you're ready, release Jnana Mudra gently and bring your hands into prayer position. Take one final deep breath in and exhale completely. As you continue on through your day, carry this sense of balance and resilience with you. May you proceed with calmness. May you face each moment with grace. And may you always find your way back to your inner peace. Thank you so much for sharing this practice with me today. I send all my love and light to you. Namaste.